Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Backup now. Once done, decide the only reliable path. Either upgrade your machine to Windows 10 or run Windows 10 inside a virtual machine on Windows 7. Make sure your PC supports virtualization and has at least 8 GB free. Download the Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft and install VirtualBox, or create a bootable USB for an in-place upgrade. This choice determines the next concrete steps. Next, set up Windows 10. In VirtualBox, create a VM with 4+ GB RAM, 2 cores, and at least 40 GB disk, then mount the ISO and run the installer. For an upgrade path, boot your PC from the USB and follow the upgrade prompts. Choose Keep Files if desired. Once inside Windows 10, sign into your Microsoft account, run Windows Update until current, and install guest editions or drivers to enable clipboard and file sharing between host and guest. Finally, open Microsoft Store in Windows 10 and install Paint 3D. It's either pre-installed or one click away. Once installed, launch Paint 3D and test opening, saving, and exporting projects to a shared folder. If the store fails, run Windows Update, then WS Reset. EXE. If that does not work, reset the store app in Settings or reinstall its package. One key troubleshooting tip: if Paint 3D will not launch, ensure the VM has graphics acceleration enabled and the latest guest edition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.